it's summer.
3744 West Gulf Drive. That's the location we're at today. New listing, beach access, just 3 homes down from here. West Gulf Drive is the street on Sanibel Island. Whether you're on the beach or just across, there's no better on Sanibel Island. Let's go take a look. As you can see, this home is elevated. Did we get any damage from the storm? Not in the inside of the home. We did just get a new roof. So you got a brand new roof. The home was built in the 80s, but it actually was all redone in the mid 2000 range, around 2004, 2005. So it was all redone. The home is fully mitigated, impact windows and shutters. Great feel right when you come into the door.
Summer, loving, give me something. I'm about to lose my mind.
So right when you walk in, great dining area or an extra family room, because this is a big dining room if that's what you're going to use it for. Personally, I'd have it as another family room area, especially because the home is 4 bedrooms and you've got over 3,400 square feet of living here. It's a great family home, but it's a second home for someone. It's a vacation home for someone, but it could be a permanent home for someone. The beauty of this location is it's right across the street from the beach and it's West Gulf Drive, the premier address on Sanibel Island. You got this beautiful entryway here, nice wide entryway, beautiful wood floors, great room concept, unless you make that another family room. And it's very open, high ceilings, nice open kitchen, the granite countertops, Sub Zero decor, Sub Zero wine cooler, nice gas stove, nice cabinetry. Love the backsplash here with the blue herons, I think those are. I think those are blue herons. Nice little center island, dishwasher, very functional kitchen. A lot of space here, a lot of cabinet space. And then again, the view out back. This home did have a screen enclosure on it, but the storm took it off. But I like it without the screen enclosure because there's no obstruction. There was a home behind you. They just tore that down, so you're gonna have a new home going up behind you. That's what's happening on the island. A lot of these ground level homes are being torn down and new ones going up. Guess what happens? Values go up. This lot right here, if it's not right now, it will be soon. It's $1.5 million lot all day long. Other markets, it's more. So like up in Anna Maria or Naples, lots, this same lot down there that close to the beach, I mean, you're talking $2-3 million lots here for near beach lots, maybe even more, especially down in Naples. VIP suite number 1. We've got 4 bedrooms here, 4 baths, good size laundry, and then this door right here goes down to your 2-car garage. VIP suite number 2. Look at this. This is a nice VIP suite. Got a little sitting area for your morning coffee, good size room, you know, king size bed, overlooking West Gulf Drive area. Open that slider door. Probably hear the waves, the ocean at night. You could be the VIP. VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP you.
Saw her under moonlight, a flower in her hair.
Nice little pool area, good sized pool area, deep too. Spa.
But I know she caught my stare.
One of the best features about this home is it's West Gulf Drive. It's right across the street from the beach. The house is a fantastic home. For the money, for the lot, it's a good value. So if you want a private tour, give me a call today.